What if I told you there's a place where people turn a few $100s into thousands, even millions? And no, it's not a scam. It's not crypto hype. It's something that has been around for over 100 years. It's called the stock market. But here's the problem. Most people are either scared of it or completely misunderstand it. So today, I'll explain the stock market so simply that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how beginners in the USA actually start. What is stock market? Let's start simple. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership of companies. Yes, ownership. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that company. For example, if you buy stock of Apple Inc., you become a tiny owner of Apple. Same with Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft. So when these companies grow, you make money. When they fall, you lose money. Simple, easy example. Imagine this. Your friend starts a pizza shop, but he only has $5,000. Invest $5,000 and own 50% of my business. Now, if the business grows, you earn profit. If it fails, you lose money. That's exactly what stocks are. The only difference, instead of one small shop, you're investing in big companies where stocks are traded. In the USA, stocks are bought and sold on exchanges like New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ. Think of them like giant digital marketplaces. People all over the world are buying and selling shares every second. And this is where prices keep changing. WHY prices go up and down. Stock prices move because of one simple rule: demand and supply. If more people want to buy a stock, price goes up. If more people want to sell, price goes down. But what affects demand? 1. Company performance. If a company makes strong profits, gives stock rises. If it performs badly, gives stock falls. 2. News. Example: if Tesla launches something new, people get excited, gives price goes up. Bad news gives price drops. 3. Emotions. This is huge. Fear, greed. People panic, gives sell. People get greedy, gives buy. And the market moves constantly. Investing versus trading. There are two types of people in the market. Traders. They buy and sell quickly. Minutes, hours, days. Goal, quick profit. But it's risky. Investors. They think long term. Years, decades. They invest in companies like Apple Inc., Amazon, Microsoft, and wait. This is how most wealthy people build money. How people make money. There are two main ways. 1. Price growth. You buy a stock at $100. It grows to $150. You make $50 profit. 2. Dividends. Some companies pay you money just for holding their stock. It's like passive income. How to start in USA. Now the real question. How do beginners start? Step by step. 1. Open a brokerage account. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab. 2. Add money. Start small. Even $50 or $100 is fine. 3. Buy your first stock. Choose strong companies, or even safer, index funds like S&P 500. 4. Stay consistent. Invest regularly, not once. Biggest mistakes. Beginners often lose money because they follow hype. They panic sell. They expect quick money. Truth. The stock market rewards patience, not emotions. Here's the truth most people never hear. The stock market is not a scam. It's not gambling. It's a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it. You can ignore it and stay stuck financially, or you can learn it and slowly build real wealth. The choice is yours.